I'm Anthony Bastanese. I'm an engineering manager with Marotta Controls. We make controls and actuation systems for the space and defense industry, so we're not your typical ICAM attendees, but we've noticed additive manufacturing can really help build our technology on a couple different fronts. So I have some of the things that we've been working on here that I'd love to talk about with you guys.
Sure. You mentioned that maybe you're not the traditional ICAM attendee. What do you think that means, and why are you now becoming an ICAM attendee?
So we're here because we see the value in additive manufacturing, and even though we don't have additive machines on site and we're not an OEM who's designing huge systems, we have a product line that could really benefit from the technology. So we're here to network, see what everybody else is doing, and show what we're capable of. This here's a real Navy part. Traditionally this body is made out of a billet, but there's a lot of wasted unused space, and it's a very expensive part to machine, so powder bed fusion becomes cost effective. So we wanted to design and print this thing, but you can't just print it because it's literally just a big solid block that's going to destroy your build plate. So we took a lot of the unused mass and replaced it with a lattice, reducing weight significantly and coming up with a better product than we ever had before. So.
And what about this audience here at ICAM? It would be open to learning about this part and the technique that went into making it.
Yeah, I think anybody interested in advanced design for additive techniques could really benefit from this. It's a very technically heavy conference. A lot of the people here are really smart and they're really good at what they do, but it's also small and intimate enough to where every single group that's represented here stands out. So it was a good place for us to show our stuff.